If someone has to taste authentic food, it has to be street food.
It's a chaotic paradise of food.
There's always like a party going on.
Street food is what brings us together. Now it's our time to celebrate it and share it with the rest of the world.